In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix your Klarna credit history. So let's get started. Now, the first step is to check your Klarna account. So the first step is to log into your Klarna app or website, look carefully at your account history and invoices to see if any payments are overdue or marked as late. Klarna reports payment activities to credit bureaus, so understanding exactly what's affecting your credit is crucial. Even small missed payments can impact your credit score, so it's important to know all the details. When you go to the website or your mobile application, the invoice page should look something like this. Okay, uh, this is how it should show up to you. Here is where it would show you what your payments are due or what are you late at, what payments have you made in time, and the kind. Now, the next thing you want to do is to pay off any outstanding balances. If you find any unpaid invoices, pay them as soon as possible. Settling your debts quickly shows that you're responsible and helps prevent further negative marks on your credit history. If there's more than one overdue payment, prioritize the oldest first. Consistently paying off balances will start improving your credit record over time. Now, the next way is to contact Klarna customer service. Well, this is only if you notice a payment mistake. For example, if you paid but it still shows as late, you should contact Klarna's support team immediately. They can review your case, correct errors, and update your account. Providing proof of payment like bank statements or screenshots will help Klarna resolve the issue faster. So, just go to Klarna customer service, right? Oh, let me change that to English. Customer service, Klarna, Germany, right? Just contact them or log in for chat support. That's actually much faster because you get immediate replies and like the sort. So that's one way of doing it. Now, the next way is to keep up with future payments. One of the most important steps is to make sure all future Klarna invoices are paid on time. Even one late payment can continue to affect your credit. You can set up reminders, mark due dates on your calendar, or use Klarna's autopay feature to ensure you never miss a payment. Consistency is key to rebuilding your credit. Now, the next way is to monitor your credit reports. So, it's a good idea to check your credit report with your local credit bureau to confirm that Klarna's updates are reflected correctly. In some countries, Klarna reports to bureaus like Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. Regularly monitoring your credit will help you catch any discrepancies early and ensure your credit history is accurate. Now, another way is to avoid opening multiple Klarna accounts. While it might seem tempting to open new Klarna accounts to avoid a negative history, this can actually make your credit situation worse. Focus on repairing your existing account by paying off debts and staying on track with future payments. Opening multiple accounts can appear risky to lenders and damage your credit profile further. Lastly, time heals past mistakes. Negative marks like late payments usually stay on your credit history for 2 to 3 years, depending on your country. By consistently paying on time and avoiding new late payments, your credit history will gradually improve. Patience and diligence are important. Over time, your credit score will recover. Anyways, guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.